how to transfer from PayPal to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer from your PayPal account to another PayPal account in the easiest way possible. So what you're going to do to allow yourself to do this is you're simply going to go into Pay and Get Paid, okay? And you're going to click on Send Money. And once you click on Send Money, it's going to take you to the transfer page. So you can either send an invoice or make a mass payment. And down here where it says name and username, basically over there, what you are going to be doing is you're going to add the username, email, or mobile that is linked with your basic PayPal, the PayPal account that you want to send it to. And yeah, that's how you're going to do it. So just click on Pay and Get Paid, click on Send Money, and add the user's PayPal account. And that's how you're going to transfer from PayPal to PayPal. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.